If you want to move contacts from your SIM card to your phone storage or your Google account on POCO X7 Pro, then first of all, you need to find the Contacts app that you can find, for instance, in the app drawer. And then over here, you want to switch to Organize at the bottom. Scroll down and you want to choose Manage SIM. If you have two SIM cards inserted into your device, then you can choose which SIM card you want to manage. In my case, I'm gonna choose the first one and press OK. If you have only one SIM card, then you're gonna have this option and you will immediately see something like this. Now here, you should be able to find all contacts that you have saved on your SIM card. Then you also have Save To, so here you can tap in order to save to Google Contacts, so your Google account. You can also save it to, for instance, your device over here. And once you are done, you want to press Import here in the top right corner, and then you are asked what should happen with the copies from SIM card. So you can either keep those contacts on your SIM card and still have them there, or you can remove those SIM contacts. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!